So if you tried meditation but you feel like it's not really working for you, this video will be incredibly helpful for you. I'm going to share with you a technique that I personally found to be really powerful, and you probably already heard it, but if you never tried it, you must do this, and I'll go on to it why and what it does and what's the difference with standard meditation. I'm talking about the Wim Hof technique. This is a breathing technique that really engages your whole body and changes your state really rapidly. So in a matter of minutes, you will definitely feel effects on your mind and on your consciousness. This is not always the case for standard meditation, like for example Vipassana meditation or just following the breath. So if you tried this standard kind of meditation, trying something different, which is more in the style of pranayama, which is the Wim Hof technique, would really benefit you. I love this technique because, as I said, you engage your whole body by engaging your breath in an active way. And rather than just breathing normally, you will control consciously your breath and inhaling a lot of oxygen. And by doing that, your system, your whole system and your whole lungs will open up. That's really amazing. You will feel your whole breathing that usually during the day is shallow without even noticing it. You will feel it literally unlocking. You will push through it, and by doing that it will open up, and after that you will breathe way more easily and you will have a lot more of oxygen going through your brain, and this will change a lot in relation to your state. You will feel more alert, you will feel more awake and just really good. And the thing is, with this technique, I suggest it to you because you can't not be present while you do it. And I know where you're coming from. I am a serious overthinker, and sometimes doing standard meditation can really bring me into presence. But something like that, man, in just some minutes you really get back into presence, because when you are doing the technique, you are completely engaged with it. It's impossible to do some thinking in the background while you are engaging in this kind of breathing. And as you may know, and is been known for thousands of years by Buddhists and by all spiritual traditions, the breath is linked with the mind. For example, when you are agitated, your breathing is way faster, and bringing it down and slowing it down will calm the mind by consequence. So they are connected. And when you do this technique, after the round of strong inhalation and oxygenation of your whole body and mind, you will hold the breath. And with all this oxygen, you can hold it for even 2 minutes. And while you are in this holding, your mind stops. I mean, it really, really slows down and can come to a point of complete stillness where there is no thought activity. So that's incredibly powerful. In just some minutes, you will be in that state of stillness without needing to do really extended meditation, because the mind itself is a movement, and when you are holding the breath completely and there is no movement at all, it's way easier to fall back in this stillness. So I really recommend you to check it out and try it. I leave a link below of the official video of Wim Hof where he explained how to exactly do it. And this is actually a really great technique if you suffer from depression, because it really wakes you up. And I included it in a book that I wrote about depression called the Depression Handbook, where you can find useful tools and behaviors that you can implement to get out and stay out of depression. I put it up for free on my website. If you're interested, the link is below. And that's it. I hope you have a fantastic day. And if you tried it, let me know in the comments below. See you.